Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be comparing the displays of the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus the Mi10i device. So it's been a very long time using this Samsung Galaxy M51 device, friends, which has very good AMOLED panel display, and whereas the Mi10i phone, which got recently launched in Indian market, and the price was quite close to the Samsung Galaxy M51. So in this video, let's discuss which display has the best option, and I'll be talking about the hardware point of view and even the software point of view as well. So I'll try to do in-depth comparison between both the smartphones, and at the end of this video, I'll try to come to the conclusion which display is the best and for what type of user, and what are the things you need to know about these devices. And just in case if you want to download this live wallpaper and this punch hole wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, and there's separate playlist available for the smartphones as well. So there's a playlist which I'll be creating for each and every smartphone in my channel. So I already uploaded more than 80 videos on this Mi10i, so make sure to check that links in description below, friends. And let's get started with this display comparison. So first, regarding the hardware comparison between both the phones, the Samsung Galaxy M51 has a 6.7 inches of the display screen size, so that's slightly big than the Mi10i display, which is of 6.67 inches. So that's a little bit kind of different. So in terms of the display, slightly big in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. And then let's talk about the display, what quality display they are using. The Samsung uses the Super AMOLED Plus technology in this device, so which is really good, friends. So this is the most lovable phone of me ever I have used. So seriously, for this kind of budget, you are getting like premium end smartphone screen quality in this Samsung Galaxy M51. So this is the second reason which I like about this phone. First is a battery, of course, 1000 mAh, and next is a display. And in the Mi10i device, the phone has the IPS LCD panel display. So we are seeing so many IPS LCD panels with the same panel which is present in the Poco X3 as well. As you can see, this is a Poco X3, so which has the same kind of screen quality. So overall, what makes the Mi10i unique is that having the high refresh rate and high touch sampling rate. So 120 Hz refresh rate is the best selling point for this Mi10i smartphone. So in terms of the Samsung Galaxy M51, it doesn't have any kind of high refresh rate. That's a big drawback for the Samsung users. So in terms of the display, on the hardware side, slightly better options for the gaming. So if you're entertainment purpose user, then definitely the Samsung is also a good option for you. So in terms of the hardware, so there are two different type of users, so you will be choosing which type of usage, and according to that you can select the device. So now we known about the hardware point of view. So now let me try to show you the actual footage from the MX Player, so which I'll be using in my testing videos right now. So let me try to quickly open the MX Player in this Mi10i device. So as I said, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more this kind of interesting videos which I'll be demonstrating in my channel. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones. The top one is a Samsung Galaxy M51 and the bottom one is a Mi10i. So it's you can identify easily little bit. If you notice, the punch hole is smaller, so it's smaller on the Mi10i device, so that's a one advantage. The Samsung Galaxy M51 is slightly bigger. So if you notice or not, I'm not sure in this camera, you might be able to see it or not, but I'm using with the full brightness in both the smartphones, and it feels good on the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. But there are so many hidden software features which I'll be talking about in separate video, so make sure to check that video, friends. So in terms of the, without using any kind of tips and tricks, so if you don't use anything, these is how it looks with the natural colors. The Samsung will give you the very close to saturated colors and contrast colors, so that's the one advantage in the Samsung phones. But if you use any this kind of tips and tricks, you might be able to increase the colors as well. If you just observe the sky, as you can see, friends, so this kind of software optimization is there. Even you can watch in black and white mode as well. So that's a good advantage in this Mi10i, which has so much of software optimization. So even though the Mi10i doesn't have the AMOLED panel display, but still if you use this kind of tips and tricks, you can actually make it look like AMOLED panel, but it cannot replace the AMOLED panel phones, I would say, definitely, but it slightly improves the color contrast levels if you use. So this is with the full brightness, friends, and let me try to decrease to the 10 brightness. So these are the 10. So both are doing kind of very close to each other, same brightness levels. If you notice 5, even at the 5 you can see the sky is kind of red on this M51, so which is slightly saturated. And I'm seeing the flickering happening in the Samsung Galaxy M51 if you notice. Whereas the Mi 10i doesn't flicker the screen, so maybe there must be an option to avoid that kind of flickering in the low brightness mode. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between the displays of this both the smartphones. So overall, in my opinion, in terms of the hardware thing, the Mi 10i has 120 Hz refresh rate. So that's another plus point in this Mi 10i smartphone. In terms of the image quality, I do like the Samsung's image quality, but in the Mi 10i as well, there is a hidden software features which will be improving lot and lot of display quality, friends. There's so much of customization you can select from. So kindly watch the video which I did on the display tips and tricks, latest videos you should be there. So make sure to check the playlist as well. So that playlist will give you the complete clarity about this phone, whether to buy this phone or not. So that's it for this video, friends. For more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.